Make sure you've got a nice tight seal on the bottom.
As the health service gears up for the biggest challenge since its formation,
To get that nice tight seal.
thousands who aren't already on the front line are putting themselves forward. Julia is a medical student being fast-tracked into the workforce.
I really am excited, but I'm also really nervous. I think you're nervous starting as a foundation year doctor anyway, because it's obviously a huge responsibility to be looking after patients. And I'm really, really keen to start because I know that the NHS needs more workforce right now, but equally I'm quite nervous about what kind of support and what kind of NHS we'll be going into.
The new legislation also makes it easier for doctors who've left or recently retired to return, which is what Sandeep is doing 5 years after switching career to set up a medical technology firm.
I've definitely been revising some of the key diagnoses and how I'd manage them again, of course.
Sandeep has thought about the risks he may run by coming back.
Much of the reason why I became a doctor was because I saw the NHS and the institution, how it worked, and very passionate about that delivery of care that the NHS gives. So I think it's just doing what the right thing is for the citizens of the UK at this point in time.
There are also greater protections now for those who volunteer in the NHS, like Tanya.
I just feel I need to do something. And I am not the only person. There's so many people out there who do want to help, who realises they're very scared. You can see the panic, but a lot of people do want to help, and that's kind of where I am at the moment.
Tanya was a police officer for 30 years, training she hopes will help.
It's just going to be very difficult, I would imagine, tragic in lots of cases. But you can't be scared of going into something that you're a known of. You just have to deal with it to try and help where you can, really.
Those already in the health service workforce are now training hard to work in ways many have never had to before. And many, like Julia, Sandeep and Tanya, will soon be joining them. Catherine Jones, 5 News.